Curved embedded, day and night honeycomb blind, no drill installation. Slowly unpack the product. Be careful not to cut the cords. Both ends of the tracks are labeled with numbers. Lay them out in order, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure the cords are not tangled. There should be only one crossing point in the cord. Do not allow multiple crossings or knots on either side. Next, assemble the four corners. Be careful not to pinch the cords. Align to the center and press firmly. Pull this section tight in the center as well. Snap it into place securely. Again, make sure the cords are not pinched. None of the corners should trap the cords. After assembly, the cords should run along the center. If any cord is pinched, disassemble and reassemble. Once assembled, remove the fabric straps. For large-size blinds, lift slowly and carefully. Test fit the blind in the corner against the wall. Attach one side of the Velcro to the back of the blind, and the other side to the glass. Mark and position these areas properly. Clean and dry the glass surface before attaching. Stick the matching Velcro onto the glass in the corresponding positions. Press firmly to secure. Installation complete.